guys, how you guys doing?
Yo,
Good
what's
afternoon,
up?
good morning, whatever you guys at.
How's it going, guys? Damn, it's been a minute. How long did we stop vlogging? You know,
Jeez.
it's been what, a month? About that other video that we just did, you seen all the messed up bodywork, right, on that Civic. So I purchased it for one reason. I'm gonna basically get that car restored so we could have a good content. That's all I'm doing for this channel. But right now we're gonna speak about that later. Today we just focusing on Carlos. That's our boy, his cousin. The plan is today to pick up his car at his mom's house, which is in the Bronx. So as you can see in the video, that Carlos lives in Connecticut. We going to meet him at his parents' house, and we're gonna get his Civic stored for how many years? Also abandoned. It's been abandoned.
It kind of feels like a century, man.
Yeah.
It's collecting dust and everything. Haven't been turned on for years. Well, from what I know, they put that car in that garage. I probably was like 18 or 17. So right now, we're gonna see what we could do with that car. Tow it. See if we could, put a little bit of sazon of Evolve in it.
Some little touch.
Yeah.
Just touch it.
Pobrecito Carlos.
Pause.
Definitely pause.
I'll catch you guys later. Once we get there, we have to go check the car to see if it starts. It's been abandoned for how many years?
Yeah.
Since what? I think 19 years? We had to go check the motor, like fluids and all that kind of stuff, oil, before we turn it on. I'm not feeling pushing it today. It's cold. Well, it's not that cold. 39 degrees. It's Saturday. I got my Milwaukee jacket. You got your Milwaukee jacket?
Of course, you know I want that frio.
That Milwaukee jacket is the truth. What can we do once we get to Connecticut? Drop the car off.
First thing is just like, we don't know what's gonna happen until we actually get to see the car.
I'm looking at the people in the back like, yo, that shit looks sick. They're taking a picture right now.
Are they?
Yeah, I need to fix this car too, because I've been hearing a lot of noise now. So, aftermarket parts, when you install them, you have to like be on top of that. Let's say for in a month, just go underneath and check, like if the bolts slipped or the bolt is still tightened. I haven't done that yet because it's been freezing the whole entire month, so I couldn't even do anything.
The weather's been crazy.
Yeah, so snowed. I can't do nothing much. I wish I have a house, garage, but
That's why we be kind of slacking off, where we care about you guys, but it's just the weather. We try to do as much vlogs, you know what I'm saying? But we haven't forgot about you,
nah, you don't
That's
forget
why we're
about
back
you guys.
and we're letting you guys know what we up to and everything.
In YouTube, they have so many content, man. Like, there's so many people uploading videos about their Civics and stuff. My channel is different because it's like what we're going through with this Civics.
We're trying
with this project that we have.
We're trying to be loyal to you guys. Put in every single detail. We don't want to hide anything or whatever. We're trying to make sure we're honest and we're being,
transparent.
There you go.
I had to say, like, thanks to Aki from Keep Gunning. He inspired me. So he inspired me, like, he gives me like ideas and open up my mind, like, hey, pause. So just keep gunning, just keep working. Yeah, he inspired me, so that's why I'm doing this. But in the beginning, I'm doing the channel is only for the Jeep Genesis Coupe, right? I'm giving them ideas I haven't seen other videos like helping other Genesis Coupe owners. That's why I started. I said, you know what? Let me just start doing this just so I could give them ideas or what not to do, or maybe I make the mistake and they could see that, oh, he made a mistake, so you know what, let me do that the other way around. Yeah, so we're almost here. We're almost here. Like a couple of blocks down. Carlos is calling me right now. He's calling me right now. I'll get back to you. Oh, you like how you like the steering wheel, bros? What's up? Look at this. Look at this.
What's this button do? Oh.
Oh crap! What's wrong with you? So basically, we got the trailer. We got the flatbed from U-Haul. We're gonna put that Civic in that flatbed. So, oh, it's cold. It's cold. Oh, you see this? Are you seeing this, guys? Are you seeing this? Can't wait, because right now I'm gonna do is I like to work on that car first, then mine's, because mine at least it has a single cam, whatnot. But this one looks a bandit, bro. Look, wow. How many years is that? It's been a long time, dude. Wow.
You see this, guys? Do you see this?
Hey, what's up, bro? Welcome back. How's it going?
Good, good.
Good? He let you hang. He let you hang.
See what my cousin does? He's excited. He's excited.
He's just excited, bro. Oh, bro. That's crazy. Look at this, guys. How many years?
No, we got this car. Back in
When we was young.
Yeah,
You're still young.
No, younger.
Oh, younger.
Yeah, younger.
it was a baby.
Well, we were like, what, 19, 18?
Yeah, just about. First car right here. This is my first car.
Damn, look, it has spider webs. You got webs. Dude, you got a head
Be
too?
careful, because if you get bitten by that spider, you know, be Spider-Man.
He's Spider-Man, right?
Yo,
Wow,
this is
this is
crazy.
Carlos, what's wrong with you, man? What are you doing over here? What are you doing? Like scraping?
He got orange, he got green.
It's a Skittle car.
For real, taste the rainbow.
What you think about this, guys? What you think? But this one, this fender, it reminds me of something. It reminds me of my old Civic. I'm gonna help my boy out and see what he needs help with. So you already saw what he got. So I'm over here. I'm trying to get my jacket because it's cold. All right. You stay there. I'll be right back. Oh, there's another abandoned Ultima. Dude. Guys. Look at this. Golden Eagle. That's rare. It's crazy, right? Turbo.
Batteries in the back.
Really? No way.
Nah, they cranky. I'm waiting for the fuel pump to move around and What's up?
How you feeling? How what's your emotions right now? Talk to me. What do you think about your Civic? Bringing it back.
Nah, it's pretty dope, man. It's bringing back a lot of memories, as you can see. We got this back in I can't remember, 2009, 8, 7, maybe around there. I can't
Somewhere.
remember. Thank you.
2008, you said?
Somewhere around there, yeah. I know this is my first car. Freddie picked me up to go get it from work. He didn't give me a choice.
Jeez. You hear that, guys? From 2008.
Yeah, I said, yo, you need to jump on it because it's affordable and come on, it has a GSR.
Cheers. So now it has a B16 head, the B16 type bar, and then the GSR block. GSR head is in the front seat. Yeah, bring back a lot of memories. I'm excited. Getting back to the old games. Bringing back the hobby. So it's a good project. It's a good project. And it's bringing the old guys back together. So I can't complain about that. Oh yeah, a lot of memories, a lot of racing. It was a different color. I was testing it out.
Yeah, I wanted to ask you, what's up with the color? What happened? What you did to it?
So originally it was black. It was like a charcoal black. charcoal into black, and then after we did the swap, I was sitting here like, let me try painting. I tried it, came out right. Then I sanded it down. This is right here is from Freddie's original car. His memories right there. He got to put his autograph on it.
Right. Damn, I know you're strong, man. Come on, chill, man. Delicacy, man.
Actually, this is the block number. Queens, I remember Project JDM.
Yeah, Project. It's crazy. I'm back in the game with starter fluid. All right, hold up. Wait. Go. As you can see, now we're gonna be rolling this hatch to the bed. We tried to turn it on, but we couldn't. We couldn't do it. Hopefully we find a solution. I think it's the starter. Or maybe the alternator.
Well, I got no brakes, so.
Just a quick note, you know, he's planning to get the motor running first, and then he's planning to sell the whole swap. If you guys are interested, you know, with papers and everything. He's going K-swap, that's why. But for now, we have to make sure the motor is healthy and running. Look at Carlos.
Driving. The next time you see it, it'll be moving on its own.
What you feel about it?
Once you bring your truck back and put the
It's gonna be
on.
fun.
We made it.
Well, so we made it.
Can I help you, officer?
So talk to me, bro. How's the ride?
It was long. It was long and scary. We built motor, drove it for like 10 miles, and it got parked.
So what's your plans for this car?
It's gonna be interesting. You know, we finally got the Civic out. We did lost a couple of intercoolers and on the way, but we made it.
We made it home, right?
Now it's finally home, so it should be good. Now we just gotta figure out what's the next thing it needs. That's it.
Yeah, we trying to I was telling Carlos about the car. I was saying to him that let's make it that the motor that he has to make it, you know, reliable again. First, that's a to-do list. Once it's already healthy, you could just, you know, drive to work or whatnot. With that said, at the same time, we had to get a K-series swap, right? So once we get that, right, we're gonna sell the B-series, the whole swap. Comment below if you're interested also. You know, you let me know. I tell Carlos and see, you know, who might be interested. But we're not gonna give out a messed up motor swap. That's not us. So that's why we.
The motor was freshly it was done. It was poured and polished. Everything was changed. All the springs and retainers, all that.
Right.
Pistons was done. Piston rings. Everything was done. I probably drove 10 miles after all that work, and then it sat in storage.
Right.
Then that's when I was like, oh, let me do the body now. And it never did. It just stood there.
As you can see,
Stood there
guys,
for 10 years.
as you can see the clips that we showed you.
Right.
Yeah, but
Did the whole turbo setup, and never got to break it in. I was doing the braking period, and yeah, just sat there. I got the new Honda, and then it's like, throw this to the side. Then kids came along, family came along, so I was like, all right, well, now I need something bigger.
right.
And just got left behind. Bringing it back.
Bringing it back.
Bringing it back.
Bringing it back. We have to do that. We have to do something with that bodywork.
Yeah.
I think I want to mess around with somebody that I was looking into on some YouTube channel. I don't know if you heard of it. Sonic 203. They always use some dude. He got a paint shop there, body shop, and I was looking to his work. Like the New England Motorsports uses that guy. Since he already messed around with Hondas most of the time, so why not we use them? Get a quote, you know, say, hey, we got 2 cars. What's up? We need to rip the interior out, bro. I saw some spider webs all over the place, bro. That's scary. We're gonna use super green, purple power, or any chemical that we need. We need to make sure that chassis will be nice and clean. So, wow, you already know, guys.
I found my original title.
You found it?
It was inside the duck part.
No way. I'm gonna put her away for a bit. I'm gonna mess around with the Civic right now. All right, guys. So we're just gonna lock this out.
All right, so thanks for tuning in. Keep subscribe on the videos. Follow Evolve. You know, we're gonna throw a lot of new videos. We're gonna do a lot of details. We're gonna see a couple of Civic builds, and you know, a lot of stuff in between. So it should be fun. So just stay tuned. You never know what you see.
Come on. I want to talk to you. I want to talk to you.
I'm here, right in front of you.
Why you being a pussy? Come on, be a man.
I'm tired, but it's been a long day.
Oh, you okay? If he's not doing drugs, he's doing this.